Hi, and welcome to Rossum. Today, we will show you how to report and analyze your company's activity in the Rossum app. Rossum's AI technology processes your imported invoices, allowing you to easily validate and export the data into your preferred system. To do this as efficiently as possible, it's important to measure your various workflows. This is what Rossum's reporting dashboard is for. To find this dashboard, click on the graph icon on the top left side in your Rossum account. Then, choose the desired queue. You can choose one or all of them. Do the same for users. Now, choose a specific date range and the granularity of your report. Once you have your specifics ready, click on the Apply button and start reviewing. Rossum gives you multiple graphs and charts to look at. First, the usage graph shows you throughput of imported, exported, and deleted documents. Second, the time graph shows you the turnaround time of your documents, from its arrived time to its exported time. Third, the corrections graph shows you how many corrections on average were made per document. Fourth, the on-time versus late graph shows you how many documents were exported after a certain threshold time. Fifth, the time per document graph enables managers to foresee how long it will take to extract documents in the future, measure which employees are faster than others, and utilize time with higher efficiency overall. Lastly, you can see a breakdown of time and corrections per every field to help you assess and optimize your data extraction workflow. It is crucial to be able to report and analyze your processes, especially during this time of remote work. If you would like to learn more about Rossum's reporting engine, you can read our Help Center article linked in the description, or sign up for a free trial account and try it yourself. Contact us on any of these platforms anytime. For the latest Rossum updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel. From all of us here at Rossum, have a great day.